Hey guys, welcome back to an all-new episode of Conflicts. Today we'll be looking at some brand new products sent by Gravastar. These here are futuristic, cyberpunk, tech-inspired Bluetooth speakers, as well as headphones or earbuds that we'll be looking at in just a little bit. Now we have a few different variations, which includes our Gravastar Mars Bluetooth speakers. So these are gigantic Bluetooth speakers that actually look really cool, almost look like robots. It's a really cool looking Bluetooth speaker, which I'm excited to show. Now we have a smaller version of that called the Venus, which we'll be looking at too. So this here is designed to be more of a portable kind. And then lastly, we have the Sirius, which is essentially the gaming earbuds from the future. Now, I'm excited to see exactly what this is all about. I mean, the packaging itself just looks insane. I mean, check this thing out. It looks like it just came out of a rocket ship. How cool is that? Now, if you guys wanted your own, be sure to check out the link down below in the description. And together we'll be seeing exactly what these things are all about, as well as trying them out. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. So this here is the Gravastar Mars Pro. So we have a black version as well as a yellow version. I believe this one's more of like a rustic look. So the packaging itself is actually really cool too. So it kind of shows you a blueprint of the Mars Bluetooth speaker. And it looks like this robot alien kind of looking about. So it's a full range dual speaker, and it says be cool, play it. Now it comes with a variety of different features, which includes Bluetooth capability, RGB lights, true wireless stereo, zinc alloy body, so it's made out of a nice high quality grade feel, shock absorption structure, so it has these little legs kind of absorb shock, 15-hour battery life. That's crazy. Full range dual speaker and a audiophile level acoustic. So it's actually got a great quality sound that is very loud. So you can go and have a party with this stuff. Now it says sound from the future, designed by Zoeo. That's about it. Let's open it up. Oh, even the styrofoam is cool. Oh, sweet. What? A lot heavier than I was expecting. This thing is a full-blown on art piece. I mean, look at it. Wow. All right, what else do we have in here? So we got some cables. We got a USB-C cable to an aux. We have a USB-C to a USB-B for charging. And then, of course, we get a user manual. Check this thing out. How cool does that look? And the legs actually open up. Look at this. And it'll stand like that. Now, I know what you're thinking. Does it move? No, it doesn't move, but it's designed to give it a futuristic feel. So this is actually a custom version of it. So this is, I believe, airbrushed. You can actually see the different models that they have. Some have weapons, but this one here is more of an artistic piece, and it really does show. Now you do have an LED indicator here on the top, kind of showing the volume levels. And you have your buttons here too. So you have, it looks like a light button, stop button, power button, and a Bluetooth button. You do have your speaker here on the front, so it's got the subwoofer. You have your battery life indicator here on the side. You have some bolts. You have your charging USB-C port on the bottom. And yeah, I mean, that is it pretty much in a nutshell. Now, it does come with two different cables. So you get a USB-C to aux. So you can plug something directly into it if you're using more of an older MP3 player, whoever has those anymore. And then, of course, you do get your USB-B to USB-C for charging purposes. And then, yeah, that is that. So let's turn this thing on.
Bluetooth connected.
All right. So that is actually really cool. Has like a robotic intro sound. And you can see the LEDs kind of working about, so it is like pulsating. And there's a lot of LEDs in this thing. What? That is so cool. Even on the legs. I mean, they didn't really have to do that, but they did that. It's actually on the legs, so that means there's a cable running through the legs to the end part here, and you can actually fold them, and it still works. So that's cool how they went above and beyond to create that effect. Now you do have your status on the top here, kind of showing your volume levels. Which you can go ahead and increase and decrease, of course. You have a button here to change the color of the LED. So you press this button here, and you'll see it changes colors. So look at that. So you can press it again, it'll change different colors. So you can just kind of go through the different colors and find one that you like. And yeah, I think green looks really cool. So let's just go ahead and try this thing out. Let's listen to some music. this is the loudest. This is so cool. You can see the way the subwoofer is like just pounding on the back. Look at the speaker. So I can control the volume as well. This is the loudest. It's a touch button. So I can adjust the volume here on the top. How cool is that? I mean, that thing's actually absolutely crazy on how they designed that. I love it. Has great quality sound, and of course you get the dual speakers, so it kind of pumps it both ways. And yeah, I mean, I would highly recommend this if you're looking for something that's both futuristic, tech savvy, and looks like a robot, and has this high quality grade Bluetooth speaker. And why would you settle for a boring Bluetooth speaker when you can have something cool as this? That's all I have to say, right? So that is our Mars Bluetooth speaker right there. Pretty cool stuff. Let's open up the other one here and take a look at that. I'm kind of curious to see how this one compares to the other variation. All right, so we have our two side by side. That's actually really cool. So this one's like a jet black, nice high quality polished finish. You do kind of sporting a little bit more decals on this particular black version. So this one here has more of a rustic look to it versus this one here has more of a clean look to it. So of course, kind of up to you what you're looking for. All right, so up next we'll look at the Venus, which is designed to be essentially a smaller portable version of these two guys, and supposed to look a little bit more cuter. So we'll see. The packaging is really, really cool. So you do have like this graffiti kind of artistic vibe to it. It says Venus, Gravastar. It shows like these people, like looks like these robots are like playing a band. Now, as we kind of rotate it about, you do have a lot of nice looking cover art. So they did really go above and beyond with the artistic vibe with the packaging of this particular unit. Right, and then we have a little cover right here. This will open up. And inside here, wow, we also have a little story. And this will open up here. And inside here houses our Venus. So that's actually a really good quality looking Bluetooth speaker too. So that's so cute. All right, and then inside here we have a pouch, which I believe is just, yeah, it's just our user manual. And then we also have a USB-C to USB-B cable as well to charge this. It's definitely heavy for what it is, but it's made out of great quality material. So you have a high gloss metallic finish, and then you have like a rubbery compound. And then you do have, of course, your dual speaker too. So that's kind of nice that they made it like that. And then they have these little tiny legs with little rubber stoppers on the bottom. You have, it looks like your buttons here that are on the top. So the I is a button, the other I is a Bluetooth button. You have a pause button, and I believe you have a play button on the top. So let's turn this thing on by hitting the I.
Ready to pair.
All right, so it also has a little handle here, so you can technically, I don't know if you can like make this into a keychain, but that'd be kind of cool to see too. It's got an LED on the front. Look at that. That's actually really cool. Now the top button here will decrease the volume, and the right one here will increase the volume. Wow, that's the loudest. So that's cool. Definitely, I love it. I think this is actually also an artistic piece. These guys, I mean, together, look at that. That is perfect right there. That's like the ultimate combo. Very cool, very unique design concept. These are absolutely mind-blowing the way they designed these. And again, you know, if you're looking for something that is not just your ordinary Bluetooth speaker that looks really, really cool, this here is definitely an answer for you. I mean, the fact that you have one that's stationary that you can put on your like your desk, your top of your computer, and this here is great for traveling purposes. So really, really cool stuff. It looks like a little character. All right, well, last but not least, we have our Sirius Pro. So this here is actually Looks like it came out of a spaceship. The packaging is absolutely just like an art piece itself. I mean, I have to say they did a great job with it. This is definitely something very unique. And I mean, usually I throw out packaging, but this year I will not throw out. That is a fact. So you do get that peekaboo display kind of showcasing what's inside. So you do see our earbuds. As you kind of rotate it about, we'll talk about it a little more in terms of detail. So one is a Bluetooth version, 2 dynamic drivers, 2 balance armatures, 4 hours on a single charge, and 16 hours with a charging case. So you got this little handle, pop that open, there you go. And this will open up like this. So on the right here, we do have a little box. Looks like there's our accessories. So this will kind of slide out like this. Oh, look at that! Look at that presentation. Now, this is definitely eye candy material. I mean, just for the box itself, the way they present, like how do they went that far out to present it like that? That's great. So it comes with extra earbud pieces to go ahead and essentially customize it to your own personal liking. On the top here, we have. It came with a chain, so you can go ahead and attach this around your neck. So you can actually put this on your neck and kind of hang it like that. That is actually something I've never seen before, so really cool for them to do that. And then you have your USB charger, and this guy here, what's definitely out of this world. That is absolutely crazy looking. So this here is our Sirius Pro. Wow. I literally feel like I found a time capsule from the future, and I'm opening it up, and I have no idea what it's about. All I see is a chain and this futuristic looking box right here. So let's figure this out together. So it looks like there's like a lid. You like turn this dial? No wait, there's a dial. So it's like a button. So let's press this button. Oh, you got that magnetic click, push. Ah, all right, and then I think these are earphones. Oh, sweet! Look at that is so cool. All right, we're locked and loaded, and the ENC is working phenomenally. All right, so a few different features about these headphones. Now they're touch sensitive, so you can go ahead and activate different features. For instance, if I click it once on the right ear, it'll play the music or pause the music. You can also accept the call if it starts ringing, and you can end the call by clicking once on the left ear. Now, if you want to skip the song, you double click the right ear twice, or if you want to go back a song, you double click the left ear twice. Now, you also have music mode, gaming mode, as well as movie mode. And now that's based on clicking it 3 times. So if I click on the right ear 3 times, like this, 1, 2, 3, it'll activate either gaming mode or music mode based on what you're going through. And if you tap the left one 3 times, it'll go between music mode and movie mode. Now, if I hold it for 1.5 seconds, this will go ahead and increase the volume. If I hold this for 1.5 seconds, it will decrease the volume for the left ear. You could click 4 times and it'll activate Siri. So the nice thing is it also has a microphone in it too, so you can talk to it like that. So it's great for hand-free use. Literally exactly what you need in terms of headphones go. And if you're looking for something that's unique, futuristic, this here is the way to go. So once you're done with that, you just pop these bad boys back in here and it'll start charging. Overall, I have to say I loved every little bit of it. These are very unique stuff. And again, if you're looking for something that's like out of this world, no pun intended, this here is definitely the way to go. With that said, if you guys had any questions about any of these products, feel free to comment down below. And again, if you guys wanted your own, check out the link down below in the description as well. And with that said, we'll see you guys next time. Take care now. Bye-bye.